Stop wasting time on money hacks that never pay. Today I'm giving you 6 offline side hustles that you can start in 2025 that actually make money. No coding, no course buying, no fluff. I'll show you exactly what to do, how to price it, and how to get your first paying client this month. Let's go. If you're new here, I'm Carlos and this is Money Moves. Hit subscribe if you want practical ways to stack up that extra cash without burning your life down. Number 1, flipping. You buy low, clean it up, and sell higher on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or OfferUp. Start with small wins: kitchen appliances, dumbbells, routers, baby gears, side tables, office chairs, things that fit in a car and move fast. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1, find items. Look in the free section on Facebook Marketplace, at yard sales or thrift shops. Step 2, clean or fix them. Even just wiping them down or replacing a missing cable adds value. Step 3, take photos. Use good lighting and show the item from every angle. And step 4 is very easy. List it under the average price so it sells quickly. For example, if you grab a side table for $10 and list it for $50, you're making about $40 for maybe 30 minutes of your work. Do 2 or 3 of these flips a week and you're already close to $500 a month. Target $15 to $75 profit on small items and $80 to $150 on furniture you can lift. 2 to 3 flips a week is $300 to $500 a month starting out. Watch for scams. No code verification nonsense, cash or instant transfer at pickup, and meet in public if possible. Number 2, Airbnb Co-Hosting. You're the host's right hand. Guest messaging, checking instructions, coordinating cleaners, restocking, and keeping the calendar tight. You don't need to own the property. You're offering management. Typical fee from 10 to 20% of booking revenue. If a place does $2,500 a month, that's $250 to $500 to you per property. 2 to 3 units and you're at $500 to $1,500 a month. How to land your first client. 1. Join a local host Facebook groups and share a one-page co-host offer. Something like, I can handle messaging within 5 minutes, cleaners on Turtle, and 5-star checkout checklists. 2. Walk nearby buildings with lots of short-term listings and leave a simple flyer. And last but not least, ask cleaners if any host needs help. Cleaners know everyone. Some tools to look legit include shared calendars for turnovers, saved messages templates, and a restock checklist. Quick note, know your local rules. You're not bypassing regulations, you're helping a legit host run a tighter ship. Number 3, pet care. If you like cats or dogs, this one's straightforward and scalable. On Rover or Wag, a 30-minute walk pays $18 to $30 in many cities. And overnight pet sitting gives you from $40 to $80 per night depending on demand. How to start fast. 1. A profile with 3 strong photos and a line like, I confirm every booking within 10 minutes. Daily photo updates guaranteed. 2. References. Ask 2 friends to write honest reviews based on how you've actually watched their pets before. And 3. Meet and greet. Confirm feeding times, meds, leash rules, and the dog's energy level so that there are 0 surprises. Let's break this down. If you stack 2 walks after works and 1 weekend overnight, you're certainly near $400 to $700 a month. Keep a small kit, poop bags, food bowls, treats, and a spare leash. Number 4, weekend event gigs. These gigs include registration desk, usher, bar back, merch table, festival setup, and you can find these on Instawork, Quick, Indeed, or local event groups. Here's the play. Build a simple 2-page resume with weekend availability at the top. Black shirt, black pants, non-slip shoes ready, and if you want food gigs, grab a cheap food handler card in your state. Rates are usually $18 to $30 an hour, sometimes plus tip. If you do 2 8-hour shifts on a weekend, this sums up to $288 to $480, and you're done by Sunday. Show up early, be the person who asks, what's next, and for sure you're gonna get rebooked. Number 5, mobile car wash and detailing. People will happily pay for a clean car in their driveway. Start with a basic exterior wash and an interior refresh package. The pricing to start here is $40 to $60 for a simple exterior wash, and $80 to $120 for an interior refresh, $150 to $200 for a full detail. You will only need simple things like a pH neutral soap, 3 buckets, microfiber towels, a shop bags, and an interior cleaner. In apartment areas, offer a rinseless wash option if water is tricky. Check local rules on water runoff so you're compliant. Here's how to book your first 5 clients. 1. Post before and after photos in neighborhood Facebook groups. 2. Offer a 2 cars 20 off deal to households. And 3. Ask every new client for a quick review and a referral text so you can copy and paste. Number 6. Local moving and hauling. If you got a strong back, or a friend who does, you can make solid weekend money helping people move a couch, clear a storage unit, or haul dump runs. There are 2 approaches here. 1. Sign up on TaskRabbit, Dolly, or local Facebook groups under Moving Help. Or 2. DIY. Post a simple ad with your hourly rate, service area, and photos of your straps, blankets, and dolly so you look pro. Starter rates are $30 to $60 per hour per person, plus a truck fee if you provide the vehicle. For apartment moves, bring moving blankets, ratchet straps, a hand truck, gloves, and a label tape. Safety first, live with legs, not ego. Here's exactly how you can stack all of this into real money. Spend Saturday morning sourcing 2 flip items and list them by noon. Take 1 event shift Saturday night, do a pet sit 1 weekend night or 2 weekend walks, and then book 1 detailing or 1 hauling job on Sunday afternoon. That mix alone can push you towards $500 to $1,500 per month without touching a laptop side hustle. To wrap it up, simply pick one of these, give it 30 focused days, and you'll see the results. To make it easy, I put a free 1-page checklist in the description with starter pricing, gear, and first client scripts so you can copy. Drop a comment telling me which side hustle you're starting and I'll reply with a mini plan for your city. If you want the online version, laptop-friendly hustles, watch my previous video. I'm Carlos, this is Money Moves, see you in the next one.